Hey guys, RZ Origami here. Today I'll be posting a demo video on my origami man riding on a broom. This model was designed by me 3 days ago, and today I'll be taking you through it. It took me 3 attempts only, which I'm surprised to say. Only 3 attempts to perfect it. So these 2 were my earlier attempts. This was my first one. I tried color changing the hat and the broomstick, leaving the man white, but it turned out not quite satisfactory, so I did attempt number 2, which was not that good. Probably not even better than this one. I'll say attempt 1 was the second best out of all of these. And this one was kind of neat. You had to roll up the broom, so it didn't really stay together. But my last attempt came out pretty good. I used a grid to pre-crease, and then I got 6 flaps from the grid. I created a base, and I got 6 flaps. So 2 flaps for the legs, 2 flaps for the arm, 1 flap for the body here, and the head, and the hair, and 1 flap for the broom. The broom, I kind of twisted it at the back and smushed it together at the front. I used water to stiffen up the broom handle so it would stay together, and I used rubber bands to tie it to make it more skinny. In the back, I just pleated the broom. And this is the back of the model. It's not quite as good as the front, but still, you can still see the basic shape of the man riding on the broom. Now, I will be posting a tutorial on how to fold this soon, but I can't do it today. I'll probably post it in about 2 days, depending on when I release this video. And when I do post part 1 to make this, just the base, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can find it easily. Now, goodbye for now, guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe down below. See you guys later.